no more. I got the horses in the back, horse stock is attached.
Hello, my dudes. I know it's been a while since I've been on YouTube, actually making content, and I kind of apologize for that. But before we get into the video, I just want to say that I now have a Patreon, so if you want to support me, the handy dandy link will be right in the description. I don't exactly have a tier list yet because the Patreon on my Safari kind of logged me out. Shit happens. Also, I don't know if anybody cares, but next month is my birthday. I will be turning 20 on the 21st of September. Alright, so let's get into the video. In today's video, I will be doing a makeup tutorial. Hooray! I have all my stuff laid out already, and I can't wait to show you guys what I'm going to do to my face. Please pray for me. I usually start off my makeup by using some primer mixed with baby oil and rubbing it all over my face with a brush. I know it's kind of really hard to record and prime my face at the same time, but bear with me, folks, bear with me. Oh boy. And once both sides of my face, my forehead, and my nose and my chin are all primed, I will do my eyebrows off camera, which I didn't do earlier because I was too busy playing Tomodachi Life. And once my eyebrows are done, I'm gonna go get a primer and prime my eyelids. Also, if you notice that it's a little brighter, I just turned on my lights because it was getting dark outside. Alright, you guys, so I did my eyeliner off camera. And now I'm gonna go to foundation. For foundation, I'm going to be taking NYX Cosmetics Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Mahogany. And I'm just going to evenly apply it to my face using a wet beauty blender. And for concealer, I am using Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Super Coverage Sculpting Concealer. Wow, that's a mouthful. In the shade Vanilla. And now for powder. Y'all thought I was done with my eyeliner, but you are wrong! The deed has been done. And now for mascara, which I will do off camera. Mostly because I don't want to poke my eye out. And now for my favorite part, which is blush. The blush I used is from the Too Faced Natural Face Palette, and it's the shade Pink Wink, by the way. And now for highlighter! Again, picking up my Too Faced Natural Face Palette, I am using the shade Starlight. And I put it on my nose first, and then I just apply it on both of my cheekbones. But wait, there's more! And now for the final touch, lipstick, which I did off camera. And now for setting spray. And that is it. That was my whole makeup routine. No crazy eyeshadows or anything, just a basic, casual, everyday look. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe for more, and ring the notification bell, because YouTube sucks at notifying people. And make sure to follow me on my Instagram, which is @petty.mov, and follow me on Twitter, which is @unnoticed_fander. Shameless plug. And until next time, take it easy, guys, gals, and non-binary pals. Peace out!